welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Today we're going on a trip. It's a camping trip. Just waiting for my husband to come, and then we're gonna go start our road trip. So time check today is 2:30, and according to the weather forecast, it's 15 degrees and it will lower to 7 degrees at night. So expect that it will be colder tonight. And yeah, so our first stop will be in Klein Canyon, and then we will be going to sleep over at Abraham Lake and using our tipi tent. So we are very excited. So we're here and we found a spot for the night. Say hi.
Hello. We need flat ground.
So we're gonna camp here. So we're here, so we pick a spot. So this is our view, and we're gonna set up our tent. here at Abraham Lake, and we're gonna sleep here tonight. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click subscribe button and like this video. So here we are now. We pick a spot. This is our spot for the night. We already pitched our tent, and we're gonna try to catch sunrise tomorrow. Let's see how it looks like. So here at Abraham Lake, there is no signal, so it's better to bring a frequency radio, if you have friends with you. But this is a very nice spot for us tonight. I hope you keep watching, and tomorrow we're gonna go on a hike at Klein Canyon, just near here, 8 kilometers. So keep watching, and I hope you like the video.
Guys, so it's dark now.
What time?
10 maybe,
10.
I think. And we're about to sleep. But when we were about to sleep, we saw this. The moon is shining so bright. Again, it's really bright.
It's full moon.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's actually full moon, and it's really bright too.
Yeah, it is bright. It's full moon.
What's up?
What's up? What's up? It's already nighttime, and we're ready to sleep.
I like it.
Keep going. Good morning. So I woke up at 6 to catch the sunrise. It was a bit dark, but I came out at our tent at 6:30, and the rest is still sleeping. So I have this view. So beautiful. Better come and visit here at Abraham Lake, because it's a very nice place for camping. Just want to show you guys. We're surrounded with mountains and with this beautiful lake. So see, before we camped, I guess for that side there, but right now this is our second time to come visit. The water is high already. Look at this, there's a campsite here, and like look at the trees. They were all submerged by water, so you can see that the water level rises. So there are also lots of campers here. It is safe and it is free. You can camp here. It's a very nice view here. It's nice to camp here. And while others are sleeping, they're still snoring. I can't sleep already, so I just got up and tried to catch the sunrise. Well, look at my view here at the back. Just so nice to come back here. We will definitely be back here again and again every summer, I guess. Because this is just so nice. Well, I hope you guys like my video. Please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos and more adventures with me. And please let me know in the comment section what you think of the video and what videos you want me to do